I'm Glenn, chiropractor, coach, and founder of the Functional Movement Club. If you've been dealing with nagging back pain that's stopping you from training, working out comfortably, or even getting a good night's sleep, you're not alone. I've worked with hundreds, if not thousands of people just like you who feel frustrated because they're doing everything they can, but their back still hurts. Whether it's going from sitting too long, lifting at the gym, or just trying to keep up with life, I know it starts to wear you down. The truth is, most people treat the symptoms and not the actual cause. And that's why I created Back on Track eBook. It's a step-by-step guide designed to help you move better, feel stronger, and take control of your pain. Inside, I'll walk you through the exact exercises, movement habits, and recovery strategies that I use in clinic to help clients get out of pain and stay that way. If you're ready to stop guessing and start feeling good again, now is the time. The ebook is only $9.97. Less than the next massage or single physio session, and it could be the first real step towards living a pain-free life. This launch won't last forever. Click below to get your copy of the Back on Track ebook and start your journey today, because life is too short to live in pain.